storms attacked Spain on March 1st. Heavy rains in Cartagena and its surroundings. Flood in Almería. Heavy precipitation 50 liters per square meter per hour. The warning also applies to the municipalities of Torre Pacheco, La Union, San Javier, San Pedro del Pinatar, Los Alcázares and Mazaran. Wind gusts reached 50-60 km per hour, waves 2-3 meters high. We should stay away from seawalls, beaches, breakwaters and other areas near the coastline that may be affected by break events and wind force. How are we going to sea? It is also recommended to limit your speed and use extreme caution while driving.